Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved-used Audi RS7 Sportback Performance Carbon Vorsprung. And this particular example is finished in exclusive Satin Ascari blue paintwork, which has really given this vehicle that standout road appearance. Now, as we look towards some of the key features, and with this being the carbon Vorsprung model, it does mean the vehicle is dripped in carbon fibre, such as the rear diffuser, splitter and side skirts, as well as the gloss black badges front and rear, and also the black front grille. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we find these fantastic adaptive LED matrix digital headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys now, we find these exclusive 22-inch 5-Y-spoke magnesium alloys finished in a neodyme gold finish, and they do really complement the blue paint. Above now there is the sliding panoramic glass sunroof, which just fold back to let in that natural light into the interior and otherwise just make a lovely contrast. Moving into the rear boot space now of the RS7, where we find up to 535 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a vehicle of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags, and the tailgate is also electrically adjustable. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full quilted Napa leather interior with the optional Ascari blue stitch and seatbelts to complement the exterior. Besides this, there are Isofix points located across the back row and a digitalised dual zone climate control, as well as heated seats for the rear passengers. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as Napa leather, Dynamica and also carbon fibre. Again, with this being the Vorsprung, it does mean the sliding panoramic glass sunroof is fitted as standard, and you do get these RS seats with the blue stitching. Above now there is the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the 2 digital RS rev counters. As well as this, you can access important vehicle data and also telephone connectivity. To the centre now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation and also allows usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this there is the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is touch sensitive and easy to adjust, and there are heated and ventilated seats either side for both front occupants. Moving to the screen above once again, we find the optional 360 surround cameras, making the RS7 much easier to park, especially in those tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved use Audi RS7 Performance, which is now available at Stafford Audi.